Hey friends, good morning. I hope that you slept well and you're doing great. So, I'm not in a classroom. I'm actually in my kitchen at home. And I told you that I had a surprise that I was going to post for you this morning um, about our Clever Ideas lesson. And here it is in my kitchen. So, I would like for you to raise your hand if you have a junk drawer in your kitchen or somewhere in your house. Guess what? We used to have two junk drawers in our kitchen in our house until the stay-at-home order back in the spring. And then we condensed and cleaned out all of our junk, and we were down to one little junk drawer. And in not too long, the one junk drawer is now completely full and needs to be cleaned out again. So please ask your parents' permission before you get started with the activity. If they want to watch this video with you, that's perfect. So I want to talk to you about our junk drawers and the fun that can come from a junk drawer. In my classroom at Huntington Place, and you'll see this soon if you haven't already, I have this big purple old drawer that someone was throwing away and I repurposed it, and I put all kinds of junk in it, stuff from my junk drawer at home. Anyway, it's full of junk, and sometimes when we need a brain break, I will just sprinkle little handfuls of stuff from the junk drawer on my students' tables, and they have to come up with clever ideas. Oh, I gave you a hint. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to show you my junk drawer. Here you go. Brace yourself. Are you ready for this? I don't know if you're ready. I don't know. It's pretty bad. Oh, it's pretty bad in here. We've got some old money from a game. We've got markers. We've got a bracelet from our church. We've got scissors. Ooh, this brings up a very good point. So let me talk to you about junk drawer safety. My junk drawer, the youngest person in my family is going to be 13 years old in a week and a half. So it's okay for us to have this. We use it to light, Mr. Ron uses it to light the grill, and I love to burn candles, so I use it a lot, so it's in the junk drawer. But if we had a 2-year-old or 4-year-old or 9-year-old even, we wouldn't have had this loose. It would have been up high somewhere. So please don't use something that's unsafe, and that's why I wanted you to get your parents' permission before you start digging through the junk drawer, because there may be some things in there that your parents would not approve of you using, and I want you to definitely check with them because I want you to be safe. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this out of the way. We are going to choose 5 things from your junk drawer. Now, your mama may be a lot more organized than Mrs. Lett, and she may have a place for everything in your house. And if that's true, you may not have a junk drawer. Or your mama may be my soul sister and you may have 3 junk drawers. I don't know. If you don't have a junk drawer, I would like for you to ask your parents if you could pick 5 things from around the house that you don't really use very often. 5 things that they don't necessarily want anymore. And it doesn't matter to me what it is. Okay? If you have a junk drawer, I would like for you to choose 5 items from your junk drawer, okay? And then I would like for you to go to a quiet place, or maybe not a quiet place. Maybe you would like to work on this with a brother or a sister who isn't doing their schoolwork quite yet or is taking a brain break, or if your adult that's in charge at your home is working or has a time for a break, maybe they can help you. And I would like for you to spend no more than 10 or 15 minutes at some point today. There's no deadline. This is just for fun. Creating something from junk. So I'm going to tell you one of my favorite things to do with stuff from my junk drawer. We have a new kitten, Ollie, that we got in April. And like all cats, Ollie is curious. You'll meet him later today. And I like to make toys for him out of my junk drawer just to see what I can come up with and see if he likes it or if he doesn't. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to choose string. I am going to choose this disco ball ornament that's left over from Martha's birthday party a couple of years ago. I am going to choose a clothespin. I'm going to choose the ring from a jar. And one more thing. Oh, I'm going to choose this straw. Okay, so I have my 5 items: a straw, a clothespin, disco ball, some twine, and a jar lid. And I am going to work in my spare time today to create a toy for Ollie. And we will see. I will not play with him. I will make a video when I get it created. And once he wakes up, he and Martha are still asleep. Anyway, and I will get back with you and show you. So I hope you have fun with this. It is not required. It is not required. I am going to put up some sort of a post so that you can show us a video clip, or you can type out what you made. If you don't have a pet at home, that's fine. Just make something interesting. It doesn't have to really have a purpose. It could be art. So anyway, I hope that you guys are having a great day. I don't know about you, but when I woke up this morning and it was raining outside, I was so thankful that I didn't have to get out in the rain and get in my car and go to school today. So I know you're thankful. Don't forget your Happy Camper post, and I will see you soon. Have fun. Bye.